Hello, it's me, Crazy Rebecca, Dances with Pitbulls. I have been teasing about pillow kits to make these pillows. We're going to call this pillow A and this pillow B. I have kits to make both of them. They look, this has a 14-inch pillow form in it. This has just a 12. So it's up to you how you want to stuff your pillow. But I tested them. They both have this fabric on the back for the backs. You make an envelope backing for it. And I'm going to show you what's in the kits, but it's basically just the fabric, the foundation squares, the embroidery floss, and the backing fabric. So let's take a look. These are the bags. And the green makes B. So you get the fabrics, you get, look, this is here, this is here, some gold trims, and the different colors of embroidery floss. So this kit's it's more muted, and you get the two pieces of the backing to make the envelope pillow. I don't have it in here yet, but I'll put an instruction sheet on piecing, and you get 4 squares of upcycled foundation squares, 7-inch, which when they sew together and you sew everything, it takes it down to a 12-inch pillow. So that is kit B. We're doing things backwards. Also, I hand stitched this on, so if you wanted to clip the threads and take it off, you could put it on your pillow. You can also cut the bag up and use it. Whatever, it's your kit. Do what you want with it. So this is kit B. So the kit for this one is kit A, and it has the blue, and it's same. Get the fabrics, like this is here. I didn't use the backing fabric on the front, but you could. I put some in so you can use it. So you get these trims. I feel like I used that somewhere, but now I don't see it. But you can use it. And different colors of threads. It's more colorful. Get the backing, same. And the foundation squares. And the instruction sheet to piece. You can just watch all my other videos to figure out how to put the pillow together. And did you notice? I didn't use the Cretan stitch. I used the feather stitch. I know. Settle down. So Jane, if you want these pillows without the inserts, please email me at the email at the end of this video. Okay, let's talk money. The kits are $50 a piece, okay? Because the fabrics are expensive for me to buy. And you know me, I didn't want to give any of them up. So it's just a small miracle that I did. So it's $50 a piece, $5 shipping if you only buy one. I also have this one still left. The pink, gray, and white pillow kit, $50. You get a lot more trims with that. So email me, first come, first serve. Ta-da.